We had all our paperwork completed, all our tests done. We were ready for our cruise. When we came to the terminal and presented our paperwork, they didn't like what we received from the government showing that we have had 3 bug shots. Oh no, the dates are wrong. I said, the dates aren't wrong. We didn't do anything to the dates. Well, you can't come on board. These dates are wrong. You didn't get your shots at the proper time. I said, we got our shots when they told us to go get our shots. So we were getting kind of loud, and a supervisor was requested, and he came over and he looked at our paperwork and he says, what's wrong with this? They said it's the wrong dates. He said, no it isn't. This is perfectly fine and they can go on board. Oh, but why does this always seem to happen to us? Well, 2 days out at sea, they made an announcement that everybody on board ship had to be retested. Oh, yeah, it's a pain in the butt to have to go through this all again, but wasn't going to be at a charge to us. The Zyder was going to pay for the charge to retest all of us. So we went down at our appointed time, put the stick up our nose, put it in a tube, and they said, go back to your room. We'll let you know in a half hour if there's any problems. So we went back to our room, and we got a call from them telling us we were fine. Thank goodness. But not everybody was fine. There were people on board who were asymptomatic, and they removed them to the 4th deck. And apparently we had pretty many people there on the 4th deck. Some that came on the prior trip, and some that were from this testing. What they do is they put you on the 4th deck. They put up the sea doors so you can't, you can get out, you can get in, but sea doors are very, very heavy. And they bring your food. They put it out in the hallway, like they always do if you get room service. And then they put up yellow crime scene tape so you don't go in there. It was kind of strange, but no, we're COVID-free again. Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.